This is such a random combo. I have fiber water, cheesy puffs, and strawberries. That's my snack for tonight. I have very unique taste. Don't you feel old? No. Interesting. That's what a lot of people are worried about. Like, I've been talking to some other streamers. Also OG streamers, the ones that like were on Twitch from beginning. And they're all worried about it. I don't quite understand. I feel like age is such a beautiful thing. Sure, you're not the same, you transform. You become wiser, better. You just gain more skills. Like in my mind, it's leveling up. It's a good thing. That's how I see it. I never see it as a bad thing. Like, it doesn't bother me. I don't feel any worse. Even my legs are a bit swollen. No, that's from birth control. I know if I stop taking birth control, they're gonna become less swollen. I don't feel like I'm any less healthy. I actually feel more healthier now because I just generally have healthier lifestyle, and I listen to my body more than I used to when I was younger, because I was more so listening to other people instead of myself, which was a big mistake. So yeah, I cannot relate at all whatsoever. But a bunch of other streamers that were around also for a long time worried about the age because they think that on Twitch it's very important. I've heard this from so many people. Because the audience, usually younger people, a fresh audience comes in, it's a younger generation that have free time to watch. And obviously they will be able to relate to somebody that is of their age. I don't know, that never bothered me. Fine, don't relate to me. Fine, don't watch me. Like, so what? I just think it's important to enjoy yourself and also not like resist change and kind of go along with what's interesting to you. You know? You don't have to be interested in the same thing you were a year ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. You just kind of grow and your audience grows with you. And that's the norm. This is so local. I can hear them yelling. Hi. They got very activated when they saw me. I could hear, it was like one glimpse and the guy started yelling, oh, kawaii, kawaii. Oh, it's funny. Take out, okay. Kawaii, check, you're so kawaii. So yeah, I don't feel old, to answer your question whatsoever. I think others want me to feel that way because somehow I don't know what it is. I don't know why. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe it's some type of like disconnect, or I'm not really sure. Okay, I gotta leave this up. Maybe I'll go home long and remember. Wanted to see something. Oh, there's another entrance. Oh, I didn't know that. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I can help them. I got the little sucker out finally. Lag, we'll deal with it. All right. Oh, my arm. Oh, Look at this. Fucking look at this. This is damage to my body. This is abuse, chat. You're literally abusing me. Why is it zoomed in? You are abusing me. Ugh. Okay, let me charge you for a little bit. Do, 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 do. You are all abusing me. You're so heavy. Ouch. Brum, brum, brum. You know what else I want to do? Oh, I feel so good. Oh, because then I can move my shoulders freely. All right. Let me charge you a little bit. Take this out. Now. Okay. Alright. Okay. Fiber water goes in fridge. I kind of want to go to onsen as well. Well, I can't go with you guys. That's for sure. Oh, how do you guys wear rollies? They're so heavy. I hate it. I actually hate how heavy it is. I'm gonna take everything off. Okay. Okay, everything's charging. We are recharging. What is this fucking thing that's so much poking me? This House of CP dress has so many malfunctions. For the price, quite makes sense. Chat, you can lay down on my bed if you want for a second, if you want to chill. I need to talk to Toto. I'll be right back. Toto? You don't know who Toto is? Seriously? I introduced you to him earlier. Sure. You guys can enjoy the view meanwhile. Actually, never mind. The cord is not long enough for you to enjoy the view. Never mind. Hi, chat. I want to change. It's only that long I can bear this corset dress that's poking me on the sides. What should we change to? A cozy shirt. Back to America. Just this tall white dress. I'm not following that. Oh, there's this sweatshirt that I bought here. It really wasn't worth $100 just because it's so thin. But I like the back for some reason. I'm not even religious, but I thought that was cool. I can change to Wi-Fi, by the way. I don't know if I need to, but... What would you wear to get a massage? Oh, true. I almost forgot. Sarah's gonna be here soon to give us a massage. um, I could wear the Japanese fit. Wait, which one is larger? This one or this one? Curious. Which one? Are they like literally the same size? They're literally the same size. Doesn't matter which one I wear. Should switch to Wi-Fi. Okay. Well, I'm probably gonna go outside for a little bit, so that's why I was like, I don't want to switch back and forth. I'm not gonna just sit here. I just want to change first. Chat, type 1 for this, 2 for this. None of them have cleavage. Cry me a river. Ooh, it has, well, this one has a cool back. This is the second one. The first one, just Eagles. I bought this before Eagles won Super Bowl. Sometimes there's just no. 3. What's 3? I just forgot. Should get cozy with the massage. Yeah, probably this one. Super soft. It's gonna be good for massage. And then for pants, I mean, do I need pants? Come on. That'll do. Is it gonna be my pants? Okay, no reflections, right? On our system. If anything, just go to mirrorsjuice.com if you're too thirsty. I have like a red mark on the side because these fucking per dress, and they have like these functions on both sides where the corset is sticking out and like literally stabbing your skin. I don't know how to fix this. There's a needle like that's sticking out. It's like, how do you get it to go back? House of CB is not that great of quality. I have to admit. What a disappointment. Shoes here. May as well pack a little bit. You guys want to help me pack? No one wants to help me pack? Hello? Hello? Can I put this in checked-in luggage? The microphone. Last time I did it when I was flying to Moscow, they confiscated it. Fuckers thought this was like a spy device. Like, are you seriously? Like, this is the most popular microphone that was ever sold. It's so obviously a microphone. Like, what do you mean? Alright, so I have shorts, by the way. Don't get too excited. I have shorts under. Alright. Shorts, by the way. I'm just gonna pack a bit. Might as well. This Louis Vuitton bag cost me another $2,000. Has a malfunction of not opening half of the times. Just like, what the? Go there. I'm so done with these expensive, luxurious brands. I'm so over it, chat. Wait, there's another passport. Let's do. We got 2 passports, 2 sets of noise canceling headphones. Actually 3. Like, I actually need 3 of them to travel. Cause God knows these fucking airports are noisy. Flying is very, very annoying, in my opinion. Anyone else has to restore for like many days after flying? Or is it just me? I just feel like you're fucking dying. Yep. Okay, a cat. Do we want a hat? I'm definitely gonna need a hat when I exit the airplane because you just look like a weird puffer fish that I was trying to survive without water for a whole day. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna fly in these. This is what this is what like the local peeps wear. I don't know. I mean, I have shorts under anyway, so I may as well. I think I'm okay not wearing this, but they wear this and this on top. You guys seen like the whole hotel wears it, and I wear this too. Like if I go to onsen, I could wear it right now. Actually, should we? Do you guys want to see me in this? Nah. Fine. Okay. Nah. Too much coverage. Nah. Alright. I respect that decision. It feels so good to wash your hands. Anyone else gets like a really satisfying feel. Well, since we're gonna go outside for a bit to get Sarah, I'm gonna put this on just for now, okay? It's getting chilly. Anyone else gets like this really satisfying feeling if you're walking around outside and you get home and you wash your hands and they become like crispy clean. Oh, this feeling of crispiness, it's so satisfying to me. It's extremely satisfying to me. Oh. Do. My teeth are always weird after drinking those vitamin drinks, so I get like acidic. I feel like I need to brush. First time chatter, you can change. Thanks for giving me permission. Do you guys ever feel like you're playing Sims when you're watching IRL streams of other streamers because you can get them to do stuff?